everyone, it's me, Hello Ia. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here. It's so good to see you. I took a few weeks off because I wasn't feeling so hot, but I'm feeling a lot better and I have a lot of new makeup to play with over the next few videos, and I'm really excited. Like I always say, I'm so excited to play with it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Today, I'm going to be playing with the Ethereal Bloom palette from Couture. If you have not seen this palette, I mean, just look at it. It's so cute. It's very spring, summer, kind of fun, warm weather vibes. It is like finally starting to feel like summer out here in SoCal, so I'm very excited to start playing with some more colorful palettes. Not that I let cooler weather stop me, but I've been dying to dip into this palette, but I wanted to wait and use it until I could film, so let's use it. So as my base, I'm gonna take that peach color called Flourish, and I'm gonna pop that onto the outer part of my crease. Like starting in the middle and just out to the edge here. I'm not going to take it all the way in because I want to do the inside part of the eye with those minty green colors. But I'm just going to lay this down as a base. I've never used any makeup by Couture, so this is truly a first impression, not only of this palette, but of this brand for me. So I'm just kind of laying color down on my lid and my crease from about the middle out. Okay, so I have that peach color Flourish laid down. I did not have any issues with it blending. It seems to be working really nice. I do want to kind of just blow it out a little bit more. I'm gonna put the hot pink color on top of it and like a little deeper into the crease. So I kind of want this to go pretty far out because I want it to give kind of a halo effect. There we go. That's more what I was going for. And I'm going to go in with that minty green color called Angelic. Yes, that's what it's called. I am blind without my glasses. So, and I'm going to do the same thing on the inner part of my eye. Ooh, look at that color though. That's beautiful. So that is what those two colors look like on the eye so far. It might look a little weird right now, but I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with the hot pink, and then I'm going to lay down the shimmers, the green and the pink shimmer on the lid. So hopefully that all comes together. Next, I'm gonna take the hot pink shade Goddess on a pointier, smaller brush and press that into my outer corner and then blend it in. Oh my gosh. Ooh. All right, here we go. So that's more or less the shape I want it to be in, so I'm gonna blend it now. That looks really pretty. I'm just gonna take that peach color Flourish one more time, closer to my brow bone, just to bring it back to life a little bit. I kind of covered it up with the pink. Now I'm going to use my fingers with the shimmer shades. All right, so I have that shade Poppy on my finger, and I'm going to lay that on the lid where the pink is. Now I'm going to take the shade Divinity, and I'm going to lay that on the inner corner and the inner part of my lid. That is what we have there. What I'm going to do is I do want to deepen up this outer corner a little bit more. We lost some of that depth with the shimmer. Okay, so here is where we're at now that I've deepened up the outer corner once again. I think this looks really pretty. So what I want to do now is take Petal and I'm going to stamp that under my lower lash line. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a very pretty purple. Can you see that? Ooh. Now I'm just taking it on a slightly bigger brush to just really blow it out. Okay, I'm loving that. And then I'm going to take a tiny little, almost like a pencil brush in the shade Glorious, which is the purple shimmer. And I'm just going to push that in the middle. Maybe I'll use my finger. All right, now I got it everywhere, which is not what I was going for, but that's okay. I love glitter, so. And it's not even glitter, it's just sparkles. So I think we're done with the eye, so I'm gonna do the other eye and then we can finish this look with some glitter, some sparkles, and some mascara. Be right back. Okay, with that, I have both eyes done and I have used every single color except this one right here called Eternity to create this look. So I'm feeling pretty good about creating a colorful look using this palette, and I really like how this came out. Like, we're not done yet, but just these colors together are so cute. Pink and purple are obviously my favorite colors. Anything with pink and purple in it is going to draw my eye and definitely be something that I'll be interested in trying. I really like this look. I think I could have switched where the mint and the purple are and it would have been just as pretty. I do want to spice this up just a little bit, and by spice I mean sparkle. So what I'm gonna do is take a face glitter from the brand Arakna Beauty, which is one of my favorite indie brands. This is the shade, oh no, I just spilled it. I made a mess. I think I cleaned it up now, but I did lose a little bit of my sparkles and I'm kind of sad, but I'm gonna be okay, it's gonna be fine. So what I'm gonna do is take this Sugar Plum face glitter. I'm just gonna take some on my finger. You do not need a lot, a little goes a long way. I'm just gonna take a little bit on each finger and starting on my brow bone in the corner of my eye, kind of like that little triangle there, I'm just going to tap. And to not make it look like quite so triangular, I do like to just kind of diffuse it out here. I mean, is there such a thing as too much glitter? Don't answer that question if you were gonna say yes, because the answer is no. The answer is always no. So before that dries down too much, I have some loose glitters, also by Arakna Beauty, that I just wanted to take a couple and just stick them. I just added 3. I don't know if you can see that. Just 3 little chunkier pieces. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. So I have some chunkier pieces of glitter stuck in there. So with the glitter, we're now done with the eye look. I'm gonna put on some mascara and I'm gonna reapply some lipstick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I threw on a ColourPop lip tint in the color Maui Wowie on my lips, and I put on a ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Amethyst Hour in my waterline. I fixed my bangs because they were a little crazy, and this is what we have. What do you think? Can you see the sparkle? Like, I really hope that's translating on camera because it's so pretty. I feel like the sparkle adds just a little bit of oomph to this look that on its own it was cute, but with the glitters from Arakna Beauty, I just feel like that bitch. So I'm loving it. What do you guys think of the eyeshadow look? Do you have the Ethereal Bloom palette? Are you going to get it? I think I will be playing with this a lot over the next few months because it's just a really fun, cute, easy palette to work with. Like, it's enough colors that you can create a variety of looks, but it's not so many that it's overwhelming. Anyway, if you hung around this long, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And this is Hello Ia saying, see ya!